In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get to Gemini. We will walk through getting Gemini on your phone and on your computer so you can start using it right away. On your phone, start by opening your App Store. On Android, that means opening the Google Play Store, which has a colorful triangle icon. On an iPhone, open the App Store, which has a blue icon with a white symbol in the center. When the store opens, you should see a search bar near the top of the screen. Now, in that search bar, type the words Google Gemini. As you type, suggestions might appear below, but make sure you finish typing Google Gemini. Then tap the search button on your keyboard. The store will load a list of matching apps and you will see several icons and names on the screen. From there, look for the official Gemini app from Google. The publisher name under the app should say Google, not any other company. This detail matters because many beginners accidentally tap a lookalike app here. Once you have checked the name and icon, tap the Gemini result to open its app page. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get. You might be asked to confirm with your fingerprint, face, or password depending on how your device is set up. Once you confirm, the download begins and a progress circle or bar will appear, showing that the Gemini app is being installed. After that, wait for the app to finish installing. You do not need to stay on the page, but keeping it open lets you watch the progress. When the install is complete, the Install or Get button changes to Open. You will also see the Gemini icon added to your home screen or app drawer automatically. With the install done, go ahead and open Gemini. You can tap Open in the store or tap the Gemini icon on your home screen. The app will launch to a welcome screen with the Gemini logo and a message about using Google Gemini, confirming you are in the right place. Now sign in with your Google account if requested. The screen will show a field for your email and a Next button. After you sign in, Gemini links your chats and settings to this account. A useful detail here is that you stay signed in next time, so you will not need to repeat this step often on the same device. On a computer, open Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or another supported browser. Any recent version of these works, and you can use whichever one you already prefer. A new tab or window should open, showing the browser address bar at the top. Go to Gemini. In the address bar, type the Gemini web address and press Enter. The Gemini page will load, and you will see a large text area and Gemini branding near the top, confirming you reached the correct site. Next, sign in with your Google account if you want access to additional features and saved activity. After signing in, Gemini can remember your previous chats and personalize some responses. You should see your account picture or initial appear in the corner once this works. Finally, enter your question in the message box and select Submit. The message box sits at the bottom of the page, ready for you to type. Once you click Submit, Gemini will start responding, and a reply will appear above the box in a few moments. You have now learned how to get to Gemini on your phone and on your computer, and send your first question. If this helped you start using Gemini, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.